In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Azure DevOps, a fundamental step for anyone beginning their DevOps journey in 2025. Whether you're a newcomer looking to get started or you simply need a refresher, this guide will ensure you're up and running with ease. Let's dive in and set the stage for your development projects. First things first, you need to make sure that you're signed into your Azure DevOps organization. To do this, head over to the Azure DevOps portal at dev.azure.com and log in with your Microsoft, work, or school account. It's crucial to have the right permissions, which typically means being part of the Project Collection Administrators group or having the Create New Projects permission. Without this access, you'll find yourself unable to proceed. Once you're all set and signed in, it's time to initiate the project creation process. Look for the New Project option, which you can find within your organization's dashboard. It might be located at the top or perhaps on the left side navigation bar as a plus icon. This action will bring up a project creation form, a canvas for you to outline your project's details. Here's where you'll enter the specifics. Start with the project name. Choose something intuitive and meaningful, but remember to keep it within 64 characters and steer clear of any illegal characters like slashes, colons, or percent signs. It's also wise to add a brief description, though this step is optional. It can be very helpful for anyone joining the project later. Next, decide on the visibility of your project. You have two options here. Private, which limits access to only those you specifically invite, or public, which allows broader accessibility depending on your organization's policies. Consider who needs access when making this decision. The next decision is about version control. For almost all teams, Git is the recommended choice and widely used. However, if your organization prefers or requires centrally managed code, you might opt for TFVC. It's all about what best supports your workflow. Additionally, choose the work item process that aligns with your team's methodology. Whether it's Basic, Agile, Scrum, or CMMI, your choice here will determine how you manage work items and project workflows. After filling in all these details, it's time to bring your project to life by clicking Create. Azure DevOps will now set everything in motion, and you'll soon find yourself on the project's welcome page. Now that the project exists, your journey doesn't end here. Post-creation, you should invite team members through the project settings under Permissions or Teams. Familiarize yourself with the main tools, boards, repos, pipelines, artifacts, and test plans to leverage Azure DevOps fully. Don't forget to set up your project environment, like adding branches in repos or establishing default pipelines. Finally, tailor your project settings, such as iteration paths and permissions, to accommodate your team's specific needs. By doing so, you ensure your project is ready for your team to hit the ground running.